Hi, in today's video, we are going to see how to build a logistic regression model for binary classification. For that, we have used a dataset called insurance data. You can download it from Kaggle. Firstly, we are reading the CSV file using this syntax and we are printing it. So this is a dataset. There are two columns, age and whether the person has bought insurance or not. So the person of age 22 has no insurance, 25, no insurance, 47, yes, he has insurance. So the list goes on. And after that, we are doing some analysis. Our data set is stored in the variable I dot columns. When we print it, sorry, we are printing the age and insurance column under these titles. These will be the names of the columns. If you compare, you'll understand. Initially, it was age and bought underscore insurance. You're changing the column names as age and insure. For that, we are using this syntax I dot columns. And if you want to print the first 3 rows, we use head of. If you don't give 3 here, the default value is 5. So first 5 rows will get printed. And after that, we are checking whether there are any null values. There are no null values under the column age and no null values under insured column also. And after that, we are storing the first column under the variable X and the second column under the variable Y. After that, we have to split our data set into training data set and testing data set. For that, we have taken the size of test size as 0.3. That means 30% of the entire data set will be taken for testing and the remaining part will be taken for training. Here, we are just printing the shape of our X train, Y train, X test, and Y test. And the next line, we have built a model using logistic regression. And after here, can you see here? So after that, we are training our model using LR dot fit of X train and Y train. And after that, we are predicting by passing the X test. So these are the predicted output. But what do we want is, we want to know whether a person of age 16 will have insurance or not. So let us check whether our model has learned it correctly. For that, I'll show you the data set once again. Can you see? 22, no insurance, 25 also. So people of age 20s, here also 28, 27, no insurance, 29, no insurance. So 47, 52, yeah, more than 45, they have insurance. Yeah, 26, 21, 18, 19, no insurance. So 40, 45, they have insurance. So if it starts, if the age is above 20 and below 40, if we see the data set itself, we'll come to understand, right? So with that knowledge, let's check whether a person of age 16 will have insurance or not. So this is a very simple program. This is for beginners especially. So when we give 16, it shows 0. That means that person has no insurance. Obviously, it is correct. And we are checking the score. It's 88% accurate. And using matplotlib, the pyplot as PLT, we are just drawing some visualizations. So it's for subtitle, So this is the super title. And subplot means where do you want this graph to be located? Column, rows, and the place. So there should be 2 rows, 2 columns, and it should be placed in the first uh, set. So age, there will be 2 columns. Yeah, here. So 2 columns. Okay, 2 columns and 2 rows. And here, this plot is at place 1. This plot is at place 2. And this plot is at place 3. This is at 4. So all the other things are very simple. You're giving title for each plot and you're mentioning the grid and plot. How do you want your markers, size and marker face color, everything? So this plot, this one is scatter plot. Among all these things, it is very easy to understand. So here, age below 30, they have no insurance, that is 0. On y-axis, it is 0. Above 40, 40 to 60, the y point is at 1. That means they have insurance. So this is a simple visualization. Hope you're clear with this basic concept. Thank you.